gentlemen, today we commence the display with the display by Light Combat Helicopters. We have now in front of you the Light Combat Helicopter. Though light in weight, this machine carries the punch of a heavy weight. The sleek platform LCH is designed to remain rock steady on straight lines with minimal vibrations, making it an ideal platform for weapon delivery. A fact amply proven during its extensive trials. This helicopter has discharged itself exemplarily, setting new benchmarks in all its trials and is now being produced in numbers. The display today is being performed for you by Wing Commander SP John and Group Captain Hindustan Singh of HAL. Cannot perform this maneuver as crisply and swiftly as LCH. And here she goes. The tail up, extreme tail up maneuver, demonstrating the razor sharp response and the control path available to the pilot. You now see the Light Combat Helicopter positioning itself for some starters. This beauty, the LCH, surely teases as it goes away. Now look for a breathtaking steep climb where the speed is bled off to zero and the beast turns with its tail rotor. This is an extremely difficult maneuver for most helicopters, but LCH does it with considerable ease. Ladies and gentlemen, this aircraft has the markings of a winner as it now moves in front of us to perform its signature maneuver one more time. A sharp rudder turn, and this time to the left. The helicopter is designed with specific features to keep its maintainability and reliability optimized, which in turn would keep the operating costs low. Self-reliance in such strategic machine is unequivocal for India's defense, and products like HAL, LCH and the new baby LUH are missions in this direction. With the development of IMR, HAL will firmly entrench itself in the path of scripting yet another Atmanirbhar success story. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause as the LCH has finished its display and is now exiting. Thanks and Jai Hind.
Can we hear it loud for the LCH, ladies and gentlemen, once again? And from the LCH, we have to move to the spectacular entry of Surya Kiran's taking off. The first wing formation will be led by Surya Kiran 1, Group Captain Anup Singh, Vayu Sena Medal. On his right, you will be seeing Surya Kiran 2 with Wing Commander Udit Mehta. And on his left is Surya Kiran 3, Wing Commander Atul Yadav. Streaming right behind Wing 1 will be Surya Kiran 4, 5 and 6, that is Wing Commander Mayank Nautiyal, Squadron Leader Aman Salaria and Wing Commander Nikhil Bhatt. Following close will be second wing led by Surya Kiran 7, Squadron Leader Abhijit Singh. On his right will be number 8, Squadron Leader Navjot Singh, and to his left will be number 9, Wing Commander Ajay Dashrathi. Ladies and gentlemen, stand by for the takeoff by Surya Kiran's aerobatic display team.